Oh, I knew it.
Push it back. There we go.
15 clowns, max capacity. To you, the 1960 Nash Metropolitan may look like something straight out of an Italian movie set, but indeed, this is actually American, assembled in England from 1953 to 1961. And although I'm not gonna get behind the wheel of this one, the owner was unbelievably super generous enough to let me spend some time before he sells it, sends it on its way. I want to see just how many people I can piss off in the comments, since for whatever reason you just can't satisfy anybody no matter how much you explain. I think I'm going to start off with the interior because I think the sunlight is probably destroying the exposure on the camera. But now this is a very familiar setup with this bench seat right here. You have no center console. I'm already a fan of that. The 3 on the tree, it's a type of manual transmission. No radio, but it is a convertible, so at least you can listen to the wind. I think this car fit into 2 classes, at least back when it was new, the economy and the subcompact. This car, being in this small interior, just makes me want to get like a Miata or something like that. It looks like your top speed, at least what it says on your speedometer. Oh, look, it says miles per hour. See, I told you this was American. On your miles per hour, it's 80 miles an hour. Here's the rear of the car, as you can see. You see even better. You can see more of that. Oh, look, there's a capacity right here. 15 clowns, max capacity. That's a nice joke right there. And then this is how the trunk opens. More of a lid, not even a trunk. You got some more stuff down there as well. Oh, you can see where the struts are easy to replace right there on the strut towers. Look like some empty parts and stuff like that. It smells great. And then a spare tire right here on the rear. Look at that. This is, oh, cool. You got the gas tank cap right here. I know what that is. I know what that is right there. And a little shark sticker right here as well. These taillights and this just rear bumper just makes it all look classic. Almost looks like a BMW Isetta, if you know what that is, a little 3-wheel car. That's actually what I thought this was when I first saw it. From this side, you can see from factory the bullet holes right here, or whatever these penetration holes are in sheet metal. And then these wheels, I call them ducked-in wheels. Obviously, that's probably not what they're called, but the wheels that are kind of hidden, the bodywork kind of hides them a little bit. You know, I'm a fan of these chrome exhaust tips right here. I'm gonna try to get into the back real quick. I just want to see if I can do it. Hold on, let me up. That's it. That's all you gotta do. You just push it back. Oh. All right. Can't really duck all the way in here, but yeah, not bad though. A little dirty, but there we go. Hey, how you doing? Look at that. Over here, you got these little levers right here. This says heater, and the rest of them don't say anything at all. This says oil pressure. Yeah, there is 2 latches right there. Yep. Okay. Look at that in all of its glory. I can't believe I figured that out on myself, on my own. There is no hood prop, of course. Yes, there is right there. See it? At least with the powertrain, all of these were a 3-speed, 3 on the tree manual, which is basically a different type of manual transmission, but there was basically 2 different engine options. I can't really tell what this one is. They're basically the same. One just had a little bit more power. There was a 1200cc and a 1500cc B series I4 or L4, whatever that was, which probably did pretty well for this car considering the wheelbase is only 85 inches and weighed about 1,800 pounds. Quite well, but at least I got to take a look at this car up close, and I'm glad I did. So for those of you out there saying, well, this wasn't much of a review, well, you can call it a short if it helps you sleep better at night. And that's it.